Looking for the best wireless keyboards in 2025? In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best wireless keyboards, ranked from number 5 to number 1, covering everything from connectivity options and typing experience to design and battery life. Our number 1 pick stands out as the best overall, and you won't want to miss it. Check the description for links to all the models mentioned. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Corsair K70 PRO MINI Wireless, a compact 60% mechanical gaming keyboard packed with premium features and ultra-fast performance. Built for gamers who demand speed and portability, this keyboard delivers sub-1 ms wireless latency, making it one of the fastest on the market. It comes equipped with hot-swappable Cherry MX speed switches, allowing you to customize your typing feel or replace switches with ease. The durable aluminum frame and PBT double-shot keycaps ensure long-lasting performance and a premium feel under your fingertips. With dynamic per-key RGB lighting and full ICU software support, customization is virtually limitless. The 60% layout saves desk space while maintaining essential gaming functionality. Perfect for minimal setups or on-the-go gaming. If you want a high-performance, ultra-compact wireless keyboard with premium build quality and lightning-fast response, the Corsair K70 PRO MINI Wireless is a powerful choice to start our list. At number 4, we have the Logitech K780 Multi-Device Wireless Keyboard, a versatile and stylish keyboard designed for seamless multitasking across all your devices. Whether you're working on a computer, tablet, or smartphone, this keyboard makes switching effortless. Thanks to Logitech's Easy Switch technology, you can pair and toggle between up to 3 devices with the tap of a button. It's also flow compatible, allowing you to move text, images, and files between computers with incredible ease, a huge productivity booster. The K780 features a comfortable, quiet typing experience with full-size keys, including a number pad, something rarely found on multi-device keyboards. The integrated rubber cradle holds your phone or tablet at the perfect angle, keeping your workspace organized and efficient. Finished in a sleek speckled white design, it's not just functional but visually appealing. If you want a wireless keyboard that balances flexibility, comfort, and design, the Logitech K780 is a strong contender. Coming in at number 3 is the Razer BlackWidow V4 Pro, a 75% wireless gaming keyboard that blends high-performance features with premium design. Built for serious gamers and creators alike, this keyboard delivers true 4000 Hz polling over wireless, offering unmatched responsiveness for competitive play. It features hot-swappable orange tactile switches, giving you satisfying feedback with every keystroke while letting you customize your switch types with ease. The standout OLED display and command dial offer quick access to macros, system info, and controls right from your keyboard, perfect for multitasking or streamlining your setup. Connectivity is flexible with Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless, and USB-C wired options, while Razer Chroma RGB lighting adds a bold visual touch. The included plush wrist rest ensures comfort during long sessions. If you want elite performance, customization, and aesthetics in a compact layout, the Razer BlackWidow V4 Pro delivers a next-level wireless keyboard experience. At number 2, we have the Keychron K3 Pro, a wireless custom mechanical keyboard that strikes the perfect balance between portability, performance, and personalization. With its 75% ultra-slim layout, it's ideal for minimal setups without compromising key functionality. What really sets the K3 Pro apart is its QMK/VIA support, allowing for deep custom programming of keys and shortcuts across Mac, Windows, and Linux. It features hot-swappable Keychron low-profile red switches, known for their smooth, linear feel and quiet operation, perfect for both work and play. The K3 Pro supports both Bluetooth 5.1 and USB-C wired connections, making it super flexible whether you're on the move or at your desk. And with per-key RGB lighting, you can personalize the keyboard to match your aesthetic. If you're looking for a compact, programmable wireless keyboard that doesn't compromise on performance or style, the Keychron K3 Pro is an outstanding choice for power users and creators alike. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the Logitech MX Keys S, a wireless keyboard that redefines productivity with premium comfort, smart features, and universal compatibility. Whether you're working across Windows, macOS, Linux, Chrome OS, or even mobile devices, the MX Keys S adapts with ease. Its low-profile keys are shaped for your fingertips, delivering a fluid, precise, and ultra-quiet typing experience. The smart backlighting automatically adjusts based on ambient lighting and turns on as your hands approach, ideal for working in any environment. You also get programmable keys that let you automate repetitive tasks using Logi Options software, streamlining your workflow. With Bluetooth and USB-C wireless connectivity, plus a long-lasting rechargeable battery, it keeps up with your pace all day. If you're looking for the best all-around wireless keyboard in 2025, with comfort, smart features, and cross-platform support, the Logitech MX Keys S is the ultimate productivity powerhouse. Thanks for watching our countdown of the top 5 best wireless keyboards in 2025. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for updated links to each model. Stay connected, stay productive. See you in the next video.